to our channel. It's your girl Queenette. So guys, today's video we are cooking for the first time in this 2022. We are eating new yam. So in Nigeria, in Africa, I don't know where, maybe in Nigeria, we always do have this new yam festival. So since we are not in Nigeria, we are in Europe, so today we are eating our own new yam. So I'm cooking with vegetable, of course, with fish, with so many things. So guys, I want to carry you guys along and cook this delicious new yam because I'm excited to eat it. I'm so excited. So I did the yam. I cut the yam off camera. This is the way I cut the yam. So the yam is ready now. I want to start frying the vegetables, start frying the sauce that we're going to use today into the yam. My fish is ready. I put it in the oven, so I want to start frying it now. Look at the yam, so delicious. I cannot wait to eat you. Mwah! Okay guys, so stay tuned and wait for this thing. Now I'm going to remove the water because if we leave the water, it will soften too much. So I'm removing the water. So I finished removing the water. I'm going to place it back in the pot and cover it so I can start frying my other ones. This is on the fire. Pause. Go. So in my fry pan here, I have my oil, my extra virgin oil. So I'm going to add it. So when the oil is ready, I will now add my, this is onions, green pepper, red pepper, and yellow pepper. All of them are inside this bowl. Okay, pause.
Pause.
So guys, now I'm adding so many things. Ooh, I like when you do. I like when you do. So guys, I'm going to cook all these things off camera, Sham. I don't know if it's okay for you guys. I should cook and show you guys how I make my, I should cook it and show you guys how I make my delicious vegetable sauce. Okay, of course. So I'm adding my tomatoes while this is on the fire. See the color. The color combination is one Maggi, our Nigeria, Igbo call it one Maggi. So I'm adding it today. Because of the weather because of the summer, it's hard to. So this is my how will I call it? Seasoned. I got from Nigeria. Okay. This is thyme. This is nutmeg. Add all your seasons together. You can pause it. So I'm adding my spinach. After adding the tomatoes, I'm adding my spinach to give it the. I don't add water because the spinach is bringing out the water already. So why will I add water? When the spinach will bring out the water. The water, spinach is bringing out the water. So I will not leave it to boil and cook. Just a simple recipe, a simple thing. So when I fry it, I'll just leave it, cover it, and leave it to cook. Then I'm not dish out my yam. My new yam. We are going to do our own festival here. So guys, this is the stew. Yeah, it's getting ready. So I'm going to add the fish. This is my fish. I make it in the oven. No cooking. I did not cook this fish. I just put it in the oven. I think I put including the pepper inside. The catapult. Still hot. I'm going to lower the stick. I'm going to dish out this food now because I don't want the fish to stay too long. Okay, this is my yam. So this is the yam. This is for one person. A portion for one person. I'm going to dish it out. This is very delicious. Oh, so guys, thank you for watching and come and join us.